For introduction, sustainable construction management integrates effective project planning and control with environmental and social responsibility throughout the building life cycles. Its goal is to reduce environmental impacts such as resource depletion and carbon emission while maintaining economic viability, construction quality, safety, and long-term performance. It requires all the stakeholders to embed sustainability from design to material recovery, guided by the triple bottom line, such as people, planet, and profit, and support by systems like LEED, BREEAM, and Green Mark. Despite higher initial costs, it delivers long-term benefits such as cost saving, regulatory compliance, and increased asset value. Next, for this project concept is sustainable construction management balance environmental, economic, and social factors by promoting efficient material use, waste reduction, energy and water conservation, and pollution control. It emphasizes proper site management, regulatory compliance, and worker health and safety, helping projects reduce environmental impact, improve efficiency, and support long-term sustainable development. Our methodology begins with selecting an active construction site at UTHM, which is Building C2 managed by Melayu Jati Enterprise. Before the visit, we obtain the required approval, conduct a background research, and prepare questionnaire. During the site visit, we carry out the site observation, visual inspection, photo and video documentation. We also interview the site supervisor and safety manager to collect relevant information. Finally, the data were analyzed by comparing on-site practice with sustainable construction management principles, and the findings were compiled into a report and presentation. For the technique, sustainable construction management integrates environmental and social responsibility into every project phase. It includes careful site planning, waste management through the reduce, reuse, recycle principle, and efficient use of material, energy, and water. Governance through environmental management plan and monitoring ensure compliance while a safe and healthy work environment support worker productivity. This approach links ecological care, social responsibility, and project efficiency as interconnected outcomes.
Background of industry visit. An industry site visit was carried out at University Tun Husin on Malaysia, Batu Pahat, specifically at Building C2 located in front of the rugby field. The building is situated within an active university campus where safety, accessibility, and minimal disturbance to users are important considerations. The project involved the renovation of an existing computer laboratory into an occupational safety, health, and environment office undertaken by Melayu Jati Enterprise with an estimated project cost of Ringgit Malaysia 711,580. At the time of the site visit, the project progress was approximately 58% completed, with ongoing works focused on partition installation.
Next, we go for discussion from work program. This renovation project was carried out in a well-organized and systematic way to upgrade the existing facilities into a safer, more functional and efficient working environment. The work was completed in phases starting with structural and architectural improvement, followed by finishing works such as painting and cleaning. Electrical, mechanical, ICT, and firefighting systems were carefully coordinated to ensure smooth progress and compliance with safety standards. After completion, all systems were tested and commissioned to ensure proper operation. During the interview, our group actively asked questions about the project and its sustainability practices. One of the main issues discussed was the delay in material delivery, which affected work progress and highlighted the importance of good supply management. The project was considered sustainable because it reused an existing building instead of constructing a new one, which helped reduce material usage and construction waste. Proper waste disposal procedure will also follow according to UTHM guidelines. Overall, the interview showed that the project focused on sustainability through good planning, building reuse, and responsible material management. The renovation works were carried out in an organized and phased manner, which reduced rework, material waste, and energy consumption. Building systems such as air conditioning, electrical, ICT, and firefighting were upgraded to improve energy efficiency, safety, and user comfort. Proper supply planning and waste management were also practiced in accordance with UTHM guidelines. In conclusion, this project shows that sustainability can be achieved through good planning, building reuse, efficient resource management, and long-term performance.
In today's renovation industry, there is a significant gap between theory and practice in sustainable building. This presentation will compare what is ideally planned with what is commonly done. So first is cost dominance. In the real world, most decisions prioritize low upfront costs over long-term savings. Sustainable options are often rejected without life cycle analysis, and value engineering move green future to stay within budget. In compartmentalized thinking, design, construction, and demolition are often separate pace. Terms communicate little, and sustainability is treated as an add-on, not built into the system. In theory, we aim for a circular economy such as design for disassembly, use material passport, and follow the resource hierarchy like reduce, reuse, repair, then recycle. Sustainable theory also focus on performance like a whole building energy modeling, passive design for natural heating, cooling, and lighting, and also planning for climate resilience. Real world often focus on low cost, speed, minimal, and compliance. Theory push for long-term value, integration, and regeneration. Closing this gap requires changing how we plan, budget, and collaborate in renovation projects.
In conclusion, the upgrading of the OSHE office at Block C2 UTHM shows how the cradle-to-cradle concept can be applied in real construction projects. Instead of demolishing the old building, the existing structure was reused and improved to create a safer and more functional workspace. This project proved that the sustainable construction is not only about using new materials, but also about upgrading existing space in a smart and efficient way. Through proper planning and design improvement, the building now supports better safety, comfort, and work efficiency. Overall, this project demonstrates how sustainable practice can be applied in a real situations and serve as a good example of how existing buildings can be transformed to support a more sustainable future.